Our clients are all over the world, and so is our competition. Curaçao has an infrastructure with deep historic roots, a well-trained and multilingual population, state-of-the-art supervision by the Central Bank of Curaçao and Sint Maarten, an institution, by the way, that has twice the number of years of the Fed, a solid and attractive tax system, and last but not least, we are part of one of the most stable and respected kingdoms of the world. Put together, ladies and gentlemen, with a captive market, like Latin America, that has more than 300 million people, and a link to the European market with more than 400 million, we're looking at a sector that has all the potential to boom tremendously over the next few years. And the rewards will be plenty. A quick glance at our competitors shows what being a successful financial center means. Little or no unemployment, high foreign exchange reserves, high GDP per capita, a high level of education, and a high standard of living.
As part of the Kingdom of the Netherlands and being linked to the European Union, Curaçao enjoys a very stable political and legal infrastructure and benefits from a strong discipline in adoption and adherence to constantly updated regulations. The well-diversified local economy, however, is not dependent only on its financial sector. It benefits from the international financial sector as an addition to several other traditional and well-developed sectors such as oil refining, tourism, trade and port services. This means that our country can meet the requirements for a compliant, transparent and substance-driven jurisdiction. And it can do so not because that this is commercially interesting, but because it is in its DNA. It is important to stress that our country's long fruitful experience as an international financial center is the result of a strong public-private partnership that will continue to be built upon the future. In the increasingly complex global environment of regulation and information exchange, only intensive and open communication between stakeholders generates solutions.